So the first thing to do is to take logs of both sides. Now, to help solve this, it might be useful to have the log laws nearby. Both of the terms we've got have got a power layer, and we can bring those powers down by using the power rule. So we get, therefore, x log 3 is equal to x plus 1 log 2. You notice I'm not really specifying a base. Well, the frank answer, it doesn't matter. So long as we keep the same base and assume the same base all the way down. It could be natural logs, it could be a ln, but it doesn't matter in this case. And to solve for x, we're going to have to somehow get x on its own. So I'm going to multiply this bracket out. So therefore I get x log 3 is equal to x log 2 plus log 2. We now can move this term to the left-hand side. It becomes negative, so therefore I get x log 3 minus x log 2 is equal to the log of 2. Therefore, I can now take the x out as a common factor. This is log 3 minus log 2, and this is equal to log 2. And therefore, x is equal to log 2 divided by log 3 minus log 2. And if you pop that into a calculator, you get, therefore, x is equal to 1.7095, and on it goes. And if we knock that down to 3 significant figures, so we do the cut here after the 0, we get x is equal to 1.71, and that's to 3 significant figures. And that is your answer.